Hey everyone, welcome to another video to our series of LeetCode, Python for interviews. Today we have a very interesting exercise, like the continuity of the last video that we did a simple case with anagrams. Today we are going to try to group anagrams within a list. So let's start. Let's start with the first question for today. So it is, given an array of strings, so this is an array of strings, we need to group all anagrams together into sublists, like this one here in the output. So we see here hat. Hat is not anagram with any other words, so it goes alone. We have cat and act. These two are anagrams because you can sort this one and it's the same word. And we have these three, top, stop, and pots. So how can we do this? In the last video, we learned that one of the ways to do this was through hash map. So how can we apply hash map in this case? This one is a little bit tricky. So let's do it together. How can we do this? First, let's create a hash map. Hash map will be equal to an empty. Okay. Sorry. So now we need to go through every item in this string and see if there are any other word that can be an anagram with that word. So how can we do that? First, we're going to loop through all the string for word in string. Okay, we have the word in string. What do we need to do with this word? I want to create like a key to my hash map for every sorted word. So when I receive another word and I sort it, if that sorted word is already on my hash map, it means that I can form a group with that. For example, let's imagine that we have act. If I came with act, for example, let's say act is the word that is coming. If I already have this word in my hash map, and I already have an act, let's say, and sorry, here the word that is coming is cat, just for cat. I have the word here is cat. Word is cat, okay? We are in the loop, word is cat, and I already have act in my hash map. If we sort this, it will be A, C, T. So sorted word, it will be A, C, T. If I already have this in my hash map, the thing that I want to do is dot append my new word. Append word. In this case, word is cat. It's cat. In this case, the word is cat. Okay? So this is what I want to do. Now, how can we do this? So to do this, I will say sorted word. Word. It will be sorted word. Now, this, if we do this, it will give us an error. Why? Why will give us an error? So if I open, for example, I have these strings right here, the same that we have in our problem, and I say, for example, W, it will be strs in 0, 1, 2, 3, in 3, and I say sorted W, what I receive is a list, but with all the characters split. And if I put this as a dictionary key, it will give us an error because lists are not hashables items. So you can have a list as a key in a dictionary. So how can we solve this? We can say something like string.join every item of my list, and it will give us the right string. Okay, so let's go back for where we are before. Go back. I will say here dot join. Okay, now I have my key for my dictionary, and now I will ask if sorted word is in my hash map. Sorry about that. In my hash map, then if it's already in my hash map, the only thing that I need to do will be hash map, include this new word, right? In my hash map, where in my sorted word dot append the new word. Okay, that's it. Now, in case it isn't, I will say else my hash map in sorted word will be equal to word. And I have the word in case it's the only one. So now I could return my hash map dot values. This will also give us an error. I will run it, so I will see the error that we will return. The error that return is that this function, the values, we are retrieving all the values of our dictionary. It returns a dict type value. So this is not the value that we need. We need to return a list. So the way to solve this is convert this to a list. We convert this to a list and we run it now. Congratulations. Okay, that's it for today. I hope to see you in the next video.